What's up guys, today's video is on the best powder coating guns. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Mophorn Powder Coating Machine. Mophorn has been a well-known business over the years for its manufacturing of high-quality industrial equipment and tools. They offer the most affordable powder coating machine to finish your job. Mophorn's powder coating gun is constructed from top-quality stainless steel, which is impervious to alkali, corrosion, acid, and corrosion. Mophorn powder coating equipment has been designed to have excellent sensitivity, smooth appearance, and long-lasting. Electrostatic spraying equipment comes with 2 gas models inside the central gas chamber. This makes it more effective in enhancing the discharge effects and enhances the coating's quality. The gun is used extensively to make medical equipment, as well as heat sinks, as well as sports equipment and aluminum doors for security, as well as hardware, home appliances, and other fields. This coating gun will provide users with outstanding performance. Number 2. Eastwood Dual Voltage Powder Gun. Eastwood Dual Voltage Powder Gun lets you enjoy the advantages of powder coating devices and other small parts instead of painting. It is among the top powder coating guns for hobby use. This voltage gun for powder coating has a handheld activation switch and ground clamp, fast change powder bottles and a diverter that can be removed, and 6 feet of activation and ground leads. This premium dual voltage powder gun can provide up to 25,000 volts of multi-coat coverage when working on large areas. The minimum voltage setting for this gun is 15,000 volts. It is fast to change color and is easy to use. It provides a highly durable finish that cures in just a few hours. It's the ideal coating gun for powder coating in areas with tight spaces and huge surfaces. Number 3. Kingkun Powder Coating System. This new complete powder coating gun is among the top powder coating guns for professionals. The paint gun has been designed to work with PC02, PC03, PC032, PC03-5, as well as PC04 versions. The gun provides a durable, and sturdy finish to a variety of surfaces, ranging from metal, plastic, wood, concrete, and glass. The spray powder coating gun is beautiful and is wired internally, which makes it safe for use. It has a button system that allows you to control your desired quantity of powder and air. It's made using advanced technology and a digital pulse, which makes it more effective. They aid you in obtaining flawless coats and a variety of forms. The new complete powder coating system includes a powder coating gun and control box, as well as grounding cable cups and a power cord. Number 4. Redline Easy Z50 Powder Coating Gun. Redline is one of the most sought-after companies that manufacture powder coating equipment due to their superior quality and exceptional performance. The Redline Easy Z50 comes as a complete kit with everything needed for the coating process for an affordable and reasonable cost. In this set includes a variety of accessories on top of that gun for powder coating, such as 3 detectors of flow, as well as 2 electrodes for powder coating, as well as a power supply. This Redline Easy Z50 powder coating gun is very user-friendly, since it does not come with complicated hand switches or foot pedals. The controls for the powder gun are integrated, so there is no separate control box. This makes it easy to the user because they can control everything through the gun. Another great aspect for Redline is that the Redline powder gun is the long cable of 10 feet that connects to a clip. The bonus kit includes 3 lids for the powder cups, which make it easy to change between colors. Number 5. Hyper Smooth Powder Coating System. Hyper Smooth 02 LED is the most efficient powder coating gun that can be used for multiple coats. It is a great option for beginners as well as professionals who are looking for a low-cost powder coating gun. The gun is adjustable in a power supply that ranges between 0 and 100 kV. The adjustment knob is placed on the gun and makes setting the setting simple. Its hyper smooth powder coating gun is not just robust, but also reliable. It comes with a standard air gauge as well as an air feed that is controlled. It can be used with multiple coat nozzles as well as dual cups. In addition, the gun has an air control knob and an adjustment knob for voltage. The air adjustment knob allows you to choose your preferred air output. The ability to adjust the air output allows you to get a quick flow or a slower spray of powder, depending on the spraying task. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.